In this lesson, we'll take a look at how you can use the calendar to stay organized. You can view the calendar by clicking the link at the top of the Canvas screen. The calendar is currently blank because you are enrolled in flexible courses and there are no dates automatically added to your calendar. However, you have the ability to add as many reminders as you'd like to the calendar. It's a great idea to add important dates and check the calendar each day in order to stay on top of things and make sure you don't miss any upcoming assignments or exams, especially if you are taking multiple courses. The default view is monthly, but you can view your calendar by week, agenda view, or scheduler view by clicking the tabs in the upper right corner. In month view, you can click the calendar buttons to move from month to month. Agenda view shows you a list of all your calendar items. We'll go back to this tab once we've added some events. Finally, the scheduler view is a tool your instructor can use to schedule events like office hours, group presentations, or other things you have the option to sign up for. There are currently no group events, but you will be notified if your instructor does create one. Let's get started by adding some dates. To add a reminder, either click on the specific date on the calendar or click the Add button in the upper right corner. A window will open asking for event details. Start by adding the title of the reminder, selecting the date from the pop-up calendar, and then typing in the event. Your calendar should be set to your name by default so that any items you add will only appear on your personal calendar. Clicking on the More Options button takes you to an editor window where you can add more details. Hit Submit when you're finished and your event appears on the calendar. To view an event you've added, click on the title to open a pop-up box with all the event details. From this box, you can either delete or edit the event. When you're finished, hit the X in the upper right corner. Now when we click on Week View, we see reminders listed by week, and we can use the arrows at the top to switch between weeks. When we go back to Agenda View, we now see a list view of our items. We can click on any item to view details about the event. Feel free to add as many dates as you need to on your personal calendar. It's a great way to stay organized and on track as you work through your courses. And that's how you manage the calendar for your flexible course in Canvas. Canvas provides many links on using the calendar at this address.